quick project lang tayo guys. We are currently here in Axia's newest project here in Barangay Panungyan, General Trias, Cavite. Dito meron tayong Jasmine Expanded. It's a Jasmine Townhouse Expanded na merong lot area na 71.5 square meters and floor area of 78.65. Yan, so malaki po yung ating lot area. Mula po dito yung ating lote. Mula po dito, ayan, malaki yung bahay. Hanggang dito yung property line. At hanggang dito siya. Pag inner lot ka, since townhouse tayo. So, kasya po dito. Meron kang 1 carport. By the way, itong model house natin, medyo luma na to kasi nasa Naik tayo. Nandito yung Jasmine Townhouse Expanded na model house. Pero yung itatayo po natin sa General Trias, same na same po yung itsura, yung finish ng labas. Pero syempre, mas maayos yung pintura nun, no? Kasi